Welcome to my first attempt at a tutorial video on how to use glyphs and special characters using the Silhouette software and the Samantha font. I watched a lot of videos and couldn't find one that seemed to sum everything up, so I thought I'd give it a try doing my own. Starting out in the Silhouette software, select the Samantha upright font and type your word. As you can see, it's just the standard Samantha font. I'm going to go ahead and type the word August. That A is really not what I had in mind when I got the Samantha font. To get those flourished special characters, you'll need to download a utility called Babel Map. I just went to CNET and searched for Babel Map and downloaded the utility. Once you open up Babel Map, you're going to want to go ahead and set up some font settings. You want to go to where it says Select Unicode Block and scroll down to Private Use Area. And then just to the right of that, click on the radio button that says Single Font and type in Samantha. Now I can see all those fancy characters or glyphs in the Samantha font, which is why I bought it in the first place. Some people have recommended using Character Map, which is built into Windows, but I just found the characters too small to see and found that Babel Map did a much better job. I picked an A that I liked, and you can see that it is in the edit buffer. Now I click Copy. I toggle back to the Silhouette software, highlight the original A, and paste the one that I copied from Babel Map. Now I want to go back and find a T, lowercase, to add a flourish onto the end of the word. Also notice as I'm scrolling to the lowercase t's, I'm using the down arrow rather than the scroll bar. If you use the scroll bar, you're going to change your Unicode settings and you'll be out of the private use area. A couple of things to point out when you go back to Babel Map. You'll notice that the A is still in the edit buffer, and you'll need to clear that before you copy any additional text, or you'll wind up copying both letters. Now I found the T that I wanted, so I'm going to copy and paste that into the Silhouette software. The Samantha software has a lot of great fonts and phrases and flourishes, and is really, really a pretty font. One thing I want to point out to you is sometimes you may copy into the Silhouette software and you'll get nothing but a rectangular box. All this means is that the Samantha font had not been selected before you paste it. Simply highlight, select the Samantha font, and you'll get what you were looking for. I hope that this tutorial has helped alleviate some of the frustration that a lot of people have had in finding how to use the characters.